From left menu of MCU KSeF, we are choosing nadaj uprawnienia. Then we have options to grant it to natural persons or legal entity. Legal entity podmiotowi do wystawiania i przeglądania faktur. We enter NIP and name of the legal entity accounting office and then choose authorizations. You may grant accounting office with right to issue invoices or only to see your invoices. We prefer only to see your invoices. Additionally, you may add the right to give sub-authorizations which are necessary for accounting office to grant the sub-authorization to employees to work with your company. Once granted, the authorization may be seen at the left menu Zarządzaj uprawnieniami, where you see granted authorizations and where you also may easily cancel them by ticking Odwołaj uprawnienia.